Hello, everyone. This is Jim Okersinski with the final screencast video. As we finish up the semester, I'd like to thank everyone for all their hard work and efforts. It's been an interesting group, a lot of interesting assignments and essays and reviews, cultural artifacts, all of the work that we've done this short 12-week session has been interesting. So for the final week, as we get into finals week here, you have the social practices and participation discussion board due on Tuesday. Then the course wraps up and ends. All assignments will close on December 15th. If you have any questions or issues, you will be able to get a hold of me via email. Let's get to that discussion board. It's pretty much a straightforward activity that we use to wrap up the semester. There we go. Let me scroll down. I'll move things around after everybody's finished with the literature review assignment. It's basically been sitting in the syllabus this whole time. It's about how you met the social practices and participation objectives. As it was discussed, all of the bullet points there are pretty, really, it's pretty much what we've accomplished over the course of the semester. So, in a final discussion board post, I want you to assess your social practices and participation over the semester and argue for the grade you think you deserve for that particular portion of the course. It's discussion board, only about 350 to 500 words in length. Break it up in paragraphs for me so it's easy to read. No responses are required on this. I am the audience for this particular activity, so if you feel like responding to somebody, then go right ahead, but that does not factor into the grading. It's your completeness as far as answering how you performed according to the prompts for social practices and participation. So once again, that's all we have after the final drafts of the lit review are submitted. And then you can enjoy your holiday break. All right. Like I said, been a great semester. Hope everybody has a good holiday break. If you have any questions, send me an email. Good luck.